This is a cucumber. This is how I see cucumbers. I've always hated cucumbers, so I decided to make some cucumber recipes and hope that I find the perfect one. We're starting with cucumbers with salt. The ingredients are cucumber and salt, surprisingly, and really simple. Tried it out. I hated it. It was the grossest thing I've ever tasted. Had to spit it out. Now we're trying cucumbers and Tajin. This is cucumbers and Tajin. I know we're getting really complicated stuff here. As a Mexican, this should be a dish that I enjoy, and I kind of enjoyed it, but not enough to where I would eat it all the time. Tzatziki sauce. This is a Greek sauce that is made with yogurt, shredded cucumbers, garlic, salt. It has some lemon juice and olive oil, and dill is what I put into this. I really didn't expect to like this too much. Yogurt is not really my favorite either, so I decided let's go ahead and try it. Ate it with a piece of bread that I got from the Vietnamese market, and it turns out really good. It's really tangy and it's not overwhelming with cucumber flavor. The main thing that popped up when I was looking for recipes was cucumber salad. Cucumber salad is cucumbers with red onion, vinegar, sugar, salt, and that's it. This was a lot better than I expected it to be. This actually reminds me a lot like escabeche, but I don't like cucumbers that much, so I probably won't make this again. Next up is salmon rolls. Now, salmon rolls is what it sounds like. It's cucumbers that, you put salmon in it, I guess. I don't know. I just did this freestyle. I added some tzatziki sauce, and I think by the end, I added way too much tzatziki sauce because it was really tangy, and I added too much salmon, and it was a really bad experience overall. I think it was user error. I'm hoping it's user error, but it really was fucking gross. I got into the sandwich side of the recipes, and we had cucumber and cream cheese was the first one. This is so stupid because it's just cream cheese and cucumbers. Like, it's really plain. It tastes like bread because it was like too much bread. Again, this is probably my fault, but it just didn't taste like too much. Not even like cream cheese. This was supposed to be a bacon, tomato, cucumber sandwich, but I used prosciutto instead, and I fried it up a little bit. Put some mayo on there, put my prosciutto on there, put some homegrown tomatoes in there, and then a layer of thinly sliced cucumbers. It was delicious. I did taste the cucumbers in it, but I think it blended really, really well with everything else. In place of that lettuce, which it worked perfectly for. You should try this one. Kimchi cucumbers, but I'm not sure if that's the right name. This includes fish sauce. It's rice wine vinegar, sugar, gochugaru, cucumbers obviously, and onion. This was okay. I made it too spicy. You really beat the shit out of these cucumbers. You smash them all up, and then you put some rice wine vinegar, some soy sauce, sesame oil, some salt, and I put some black sesame seeds on here. It was delicious, the best thing ever. Here's my tier list. I won't be doing this again, but if you have suggestions for celery, let me know.